Welcome back to Suburban Jersey Dad. Thanks for watching the channel. We are in upstate New York. We are in the back roads because apparently there's some problems on the highway, so I was diverted. It's not really killing my arrival time, but it is some windy roads back here. If you're watching any of the video of the drive, you'll see that most of the leaves are off the trees. It's getting very cold very quickly. Fall is here and winter's coming fast. I'm feeling the pressure. The focus today is I'm stopping in Home Depot to rent a skid steer. And although I like to hit up the local operators and owners of equipment using Facebook Marketplace and some other things, I got no love this week, so I couldn't get anybody to rent me a skid steer. So I'm headed to the big box store to rent one. That's if they don't give me the runaround. I often get the runaround when we go to Home Depot to rent large equipment. Lots of parameters and requirements and things they don't tell you on the phone, but I think we're squared away today. I did call ahead and ask a ton of questions. So hopefully the guy who answered the phone and answered those questions has the same rules as the guy who's going to be renting it to me today and handing it over. So I'm feeling the time crunch here. I have winter coming fast. I need to make a base for this bunkie build. And there's a couple weekends where I'm going to be doing some personal things. We had our 20-year wedding anniversary this week, and now it's time to get away for that, in honor of that. 20 years of marriage, and we're going to be headed down to sunny Florida for a quick vacation to celebrate. It's also my wife's birthday coming up, so I got to get ready for that. Also have some work travel that I have to do out to California. So I'm going to be missing some weekend time and some time to get this done. Again, I'm feeling the pressure, so the plan is take the skid steer up to the property, move a bunch of that crushed stone from the bottom of the property up to the top where I need it in that clearing. Use some landscape timbers to build a solid base using rebar, slam down into the ground through the landscape timbers. I've built some shed bases and some other bases that way, and they hold together really well. Throw some landscape fabric in there and fill it up with stone. Use a tamper to tamp it down. Get like a almost concrete base and level base for this build, so this build goes smoothly. So that's the plan for today. See how it goes. I'm staying over until tomorrow. Yeah, watch the fun and the mistakes happen. If you could, most of you who are watching these videos are not subscribed. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If we could, that would be great. So if you could hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, because they're starting to happen more often, hit the little bell icon and you'll be notified when there's a new video. So follow along. Feel free to ask questions down in the comments. And again, if somebody's doing something similar, love to hear from you and see how you're doing it. And we'll follow you for some tips and tricks as well. So thanks for watching, and here we go. Home Depot Rentals. I got the runaround. They took a $500 deposit from me over online to make the reservation so I wouldn't get here and they say it wasn't available. They then refunded that because of a glitch in their computer system, but it still tied up my credit card, so I had to use a different credit card to put a $500 deposit down. So get through all that. That only took about 40 minutes of nonsense and kind of discussing why that's not the customer's problem. It should be on them. They can't waive the deposit, however, so got through that hump. Next hump, get hooked up to the car, all hooked up, ready to go. Literally are about to pull out, go to check the lights, ask the guy to help me check the lights, and we have frayed wiring that are making so the harness does not work for lighting. So no brakes, no blinkers, and I'm not driving that way because somebody will rear end me with my luck, and that'll be that. So see how we do. They're going to try and make a quick repair, I hope. Okay, we did not review, so this is going to be learning as we go. And there we go.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Boogum now, baby, your cast new spell on me. I say boogum now, baby, your cast new spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-hole boots with your hip hugger suit, it's alright. You're out of sight. And you wear that cute mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. I admit it, girl, that I can dig it. And I say boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I say boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your bell-bottom pants, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move. You're in the groove. Would you believe, little girl, that I'm crazy about you? Not gone now with your bad self.
And it looks like the end of the rainbow. Ain't no pot of gold. The things that I've done, I doubt anyone will remember after I'm gone. The places I've been, there's some I'd go back to, somewhere I won't go again. Most of the time, I'm feeling like I'm fading into the night. But when I'm with you, feel like a dreamer that's had all his dreams come true. Like my skies are all blue when I'm with you. Got a good job, and I'm thankful to be working when so many good people are not. Sometimes I can't stand, and my back and my hands, they won't work like they used to. Somewhere in my mind, I'm still searching for something I know that I'm not gonna find. When I know for sure I've got so much more than a man ever needs. When I'm with you, like a dreamer that's had all his dreams come true. Like my skies are all blue when I'm with you. I'm 40 years old, and it looks like the end of the rainbow. Ain't no pot of gold.
no gas in the truck. And when you're pulling a trailer, I'm gonna stay a little bit longer to try and get this done while I have this skid steer.